Hey, what's going on? Your Weekend Gardener here. And I'm back with another video. This was a little different. We had ordered a tree probably back in February. Not a tree, but a grapevine. And this is the Concord grapevine. And usually I don't promote businesses, especially if I'm not associated with them and I'm not being paid by them. But this is the Concord grape that we ordered. Never broke dormancy. Dead as a doorknob. See, I can't even scratch green. So this is gone, it's dead. So what I did is I called the company. Wow, today is Sunday. I called the company on Monday. This arrived Wednesday. That is a fast turnaround. So we're gonna do a little unboxing and we're gonna see how this Concord grape looks. Is it a Concord grape or is it a peach tree? You know, because sometimes people don't hear what you're saying. Okay, according to the label, it's a Concord grape. I'm scratching. I still don't have anything though, but it's a more pliable, flexible. So to me, that means it's alive. So what I'm gonna do is plant it in here in this pot. Nice black soil. Fluff it up a little bit. Spread out the roots. And then repot. Just that easy. Replacement grapevine. Stay tuned. It's only gonna stay in the pot until it starts getting green, which will shoot off somewhere here. And once it's a nice size, it's going in ground. But for now, it's going to stay in here until it gets a nice size. Thanks for watching. Your Weekend Gardener. Boom.